Sorry, I ran out of time on that one, so that got cut short. So again, simplifying expressions with two variables. Now we'll have x's and y's and maybe some other things. So example 3 here, we're going to simplify the expression 14y plus x plus 22y. Now we know that's the commutative because it doesn't matter what we do. So let's put the ones that we have together, and they did that for us. They put the y's together. So 14y and 22y. 14y plus 22y, that equals 36. And we have this x, all by itself. So we keep that x. So this ends up being, when we simplify it, x plus 36y. Okay, now we practice the distributive property, and we're going to give this a try. We know that a number next to something in parentheses means to multiply. So we're going to do that. We're going to do 4 times 2x. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2x is 8x. And we're going to come over here to this y. 4 times 1y, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1y is 4y. And so we've got that. And that's as far as we can go. We can't simplify that part. One thing that they want us to also do is factor this out. All right. Well, what goes into 27s and 18s? Well, we definitely could go through and get to our prime factorization, which was a good strategy, right? And so there's a 9 that goes into each one of these, right? And so 27 divided by 9 would be 3, right? And 18 divided by 9 is 2. And so they kind of work things out. And you can kind of see that they simplify, and they both share a 3 and a 3, which is 9, right? So we figured out the greatest common factor between 27x and 18y is 9, right? And so then they divided each that. And so they've got 9 times 3x and 9 times 2y. And the 9s become the same. And so then you've got 9 times 3x plus 2y. These are a little confusing, but go ahead and try and think about them, that they're just the numbers, and we'll try that out. So let's try these out. We want to simplify e. Well, let's put together things that we know are the same. Well, I have a 3x and I have a 2x. Well, if I put those two together, 3x plus a 2x equals a 5x. Good. Do I have anything that goes with these y's? Nope. So I'm just going to add that 9y. Okay. All right. Now we want to simplify this part right here. So that means this number is next to numbers in parentheses. So that means we're going to multiply everything in there. So we're going to do 7 times 3x. So 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3x is 21x. And we're going to do this y. How many y's do we have? We have 1y. So 7 times 1y. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1y is 7y. Okay? So 21x plus 7y. All right, now factoring. What goes into 12s and 8s? You can think of a number. Well, I know that a multiple of 8 is 2. I could do 2. Could I do more? Absolutely, I could do 4. So let's take a 4 out of each one. Okay, 12 divided by 4 would be 3x, plus 8 divided by 4 is 2y. And I put that parenthesis around there. Now, if I were to simplify it, I could go back. 4 times 3 is 12, 12x. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2y is 8y. That would give me that answer. Okay? So good. Good job, everybody. I'm going to stop this one, and we'll go to the last page, and I'll give you a chance to go through those examples.